Today you will learn a very effective scalping strategy for trading crypto, stocks and forex. So without wasting any time, open a gold 5-minute time frame. This strategy consists of 3 indicators. And now let's go ahead and add the first indicator to our chart. For the first indicator, in the indicator section, search for half trend. Click on this one by Everget and add it to the chart. Now we need to make some minor adjustments to this indicator. So let's click on the settings and in the inputs menu, change the amplitude to 4 and get rid of show channels. Okay, our first indicator is ready. The indicator consists of a line and some triangles. Whenever there's a triangle below the candlestick and the line of the indicator is blue, this is a buy signal. And whenever there's a triangle above the candlestick and the line of the half trend is red, this is a short signal. Now let's see some trading examples on other time frames. This is gold 4-hour time frame and there's a short signal here at the best price. This signal is a buy signal. And as you can see, this buy signal was also profitable. Check out the next one, which is a short signal, and this short signal is also gonna be a profitable trade. Now let's install the next indicator. So we're going to be searching for bull power, bear power histogram. Click on this indicator and add it to the chart. That's how the indicator looks on the chart. Now we need to make also some minor adjustments to the second indicator. So access to its settings and in the inputs menu, change the length to 200. Then in the style menu, disable bar color. So now our second indicator is ready. First, let's see how the setup works with these 2 indicators. But remember, we need to add also another indicator. So when there's a valid long signal by the half trend indicator, to confirm this long signal, the histogram of the second indicator should be also green. So when all these conditions are fulfilled, our long signal is valid and we can open a buy position by the close price of our trigger candlestick. And for a short signal to be valid, we need a valid short signal by the half trend indicator, and to confirm that, the histogram of the second indicator should be also red. So when these 2 conditions met, our short signal is valid. We can put our sell order at the close price of our trigger candlestick. And see how great this strategy filters out the false signals when the market moves sideways. Just like this buy signal, there's a valid buy signal by the half trend indicator, but this buy signal is not confirmed by the second indicator, so this signal is not valid. But check out the sell signal, all the conditions are met and this sell signal is valid. And lastly, let's install the third indicator, which is CBG Swing High Low. Pick this one by Gold Brands and add it to the chart. Now access its settings to make the adjustments. So in the inputs menu, change the MA length to 200 and the moving average type to SMA. Now in the style menu, follow my steps. As you can see, we only need the moving average, so I'm going to change the color one to red. You can choose any color you like. So whenever the moving average is green and the price action is above it, our long signals are confirmed. And whenever our moving average is red and the price action is below the moving average, our short signals are confirmed. Now let's move on to the exact rules for entering long and short trades. So the conditions for entering a long position are as follows. First, we need a valid long signal by the half trend indicator. And second, this histogram should be green. And for the final confirmation, the swing high line moving average should be green and it should be below the price action. So when all these conditions are met, we can place a long order. And our stop loss would be just underneath the recent swing low, and the take profit would be 1.5 times greater than the risk. And the conditions for entering a sell position are as follows. First, we need a valid short signal by the half trend indicator. And also this histogram should be red. Finally, the swing high moving average should be red and it should be above the price action. So when all these conditions are met, we can place our short signal at the close price of our trigger candlestick. And our stop loss will be just above the recent swing high. And just like the long signal, the best take profit for this strategy would be 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. Now let's check it out, some trading examples. Now I hope you fully understand the strategy. So now let's do our back testing. Alright then, our back testing is finished, and here's the result of our back testing. The win rate turned out to be 81% and the profit was 243%. I found those 100 setups within 10 weeks and we had 5 consecutive wins against 2 consecutive losses during the back testing. But remember to backtest and forward test it for yourself before using a live market. By the way, if you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, stocks and forex, check out this video right here.